Today I am going to teach you this first lesson of my in AutoCAD, how to modify the dimension in the AutoCAD. First of all, file, open new file, open, see, new file is came here. This is dialog box. This is another one, and this all the dimension dialog box. And first of all, we are going to modify the dimension of the drawing. This is the very important point. So click here in dimension. In dialog box you can see the dimension style. This is already default dimension style, so we have to create new dimension style in new drawing, in every new drawing. So go to modify. Here you can see line, symbol and arrow, text, feet, primary unit and alternative unit and tolerances. First of all, we have to fix the primary unit. Click here. So here you can see the unit format is in decimal MKS system. You are going to draw the drawing in SI system. It means in engineering. It means it comes in feet, inch, like that, not in meter and centimeter. It comes in feet. See here you can see the 0 feet 0 inches. So precision we don't, because this is very long precision, so we need in 0.0 precision is okay. Here click here, precision is comes. Now you can see the 1 inch these dimensions. So round off 0 0. So scale factor is another important thing. So you can 1 inch is equal to 1 inch, but it is 1 inch is equal to 1 feet is the best. So you can put here 12. So 1 inch of the drawing give you 1 feet. So this is, say okay. So close. Now let us check how the dimension come here. Let us draw the first line here. This line should be straight when you give rectangular. See here I put here rectangular. So click here, enter. So this is the dimension box. So here is a linear dimension, here is the continuous dimension. So click here linear dimension. Let us give the linear dimension of this line. Click here and click here. Let us see the dimension here. You have not seen anything here, so we have to increase the text style. For that again we have to go to the dimension to modify dimension style, modify the text. Click here text. So size of the text is in default it is 0.18 inch. Let us change it 0.25 inch. Click OK. So set current and close. Now again not looking better, so again let us increase the dimension text, dimension style, modify. 2.25 is not, let us say 0.5, 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter. Okay, text at 0.5. In this way we can 0.5. okay, so set current, close. Now you can see the dimension 49.10 inches. It looks like this. Again you can clearly not see in. So again change. Go to dimension style, modify, put 1. Okay, 1. Okay, set current, close. See, now you can see the clearly 49.10 inch. You can read it. Let us change that this dimension line, this baseline of the dimension. This is the baseline of the dimension. This is extension line. This is extension line. We can modify it also. Let the drawing line is this line, and this line should not be the same color. We can change the color of this baseline. Let us do that. Go to dimension, again dimension style, modify. I am going to change the color of this dimension line or baseline line, and color, dimension line color. Here you can put, now let us say a red one, just for example, red, or let us, and say okay. Set current, close. See, the dimension is looking this one, 49.10, 49 and 10 inch of the change of the color is like this. You can modify everything, you can modify, and you can put as you like. Now dimension style, go to dimension style, go to modify, everything, this text, height, primary unit, already I have put here primary unit and this all, and the symbol and arrow. We can change the size of the arrow. You can put here symbol and arrow in architecture. Close header, put architecture tick. Second leader also architecture tick. First also architecture tick. Let us see what will change here. Okay, set current, close. So now we are looking any change here. See, this line come, arrow is not here. Now this line, this is used in the municipal drawing. So in this way we can do the change the dimension. Today I am finishing this chapter lesson first, how to change the dimension of the drawing, and I would like to request to see my videos and learn something. I hope you will learn easily by my videos, and I would like to request you to subscribe, comment of my video. Thank you very much. Good morning to all.